I try to avoid blank mistakes. Avoid, to make. Avoid, make. Avoid, making. Avoid, that I make. It is more natural after avoid to say doing something. Avoid doing. It has an ing ending. So the right answer would be making because it has an ing ending. So you are going to say, I try to avoid making mistakes. To make is not a good choice here. To make is an infinitive. A base verb plus to is an infinitive. It doesn't sound natural to use an infinitive after avoid. So we can say have to make, want to make, need to make, or try to make. Do not use an infinitive after avoid. How about make? Avoid make. Not a good choice. You can use make after a subject. I make, not I try to avoid make. No. How about that I make? Well, it could be a reported speech example. For example, she says that I make mistakes. Or you can say, I think that I make mistakes. I think that I make something, right? But the right answer here would be making. I try to avoid making mistakes. Let's practice. I have more examples. I try to avoid, you can say, I try to avoid driving at night. You see, it has an ing ending. Avoid doing something. Avoid driving, right? You can say, I try to avoid being late. Being has an ing ending, being late. Avoid being late. And I have one more example. Let's say it. I try to avoid doing what? Arguing. Arguing. Say it again. Avoid driving at night, being late, arguing with people. Now it's your turn to practice. What do you avoid doing? I avoid. Finish this sentence for me in the comments. Thank you.
Do you need help with your English? If you need help, I create individual video lessons just for you. Your personal English lesson includes up to 5 personalized corrections, clear explanations and natural examples, a custom grammar or vocabulary exercise with real-life examples, a listen and repeat audio drill, and a feedback on your improved second version. The communication is via email or WhatsApp. You can order your personal video lesson by sending an email to info@englishwithalina.com or click the link in the bio. Thank you!